And missile?
A rocket, idiot.
We already
Astro
fly.
lives on the moon, right?
Astro isn't the moon. He is the
Same thing,
moon.
fish breath. If we go to the
Fish breath?
moon, we can talk to him directly.
Wait, where the hell did you even get this rocket? Ah! You're going to trust a rocket built by
Dude,
Scraps?
Scraps is a great engineer. She built these TV show set.
We're not getting in that thing. What?
Blaine.
Bye-bye, missile, rocket. I'm going to bed.